Hey you guys, so I'm back again, and over the course of the next couple videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how the Text Prospector software works. Okay, so we already talked a little bit about the opportunity side of things. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually use this software to build your business. It does not matter what type of business that you're involved in. You could be involved in network marketing. You could be a real estate investor. It doesn't really matter. The main thing that you're trying to do is you're trying to develop a contact list, and once you develop a contact list, that means you have people who you can follow up with. So you want to be constantly on um, you want to constantly be on your job when it comes to building up your list, because the more people that you can follow up with, the more sales that you're ultimately going to make for whatever it is that you sell, whatever your product or service may be. So the first thing I want to do is I want to show you the dashboard. Okay, so with the dashboard here, you can see this is what you see when you log into the software. Now, it's important that you guys understand when you join Text Prospector as a representative, as somebody who wants to be able to sell this and make money, you're going to make $250 every time that you refer this software to someone. Now, the person who joins, they're going to pay $347 one time. They're going to have access to all of these tools, and the benefits that come from using these tools are great if a person actually goes out there and puts this to use in their business. Okay, but the important thing that you need to understand is that this software actually comes with two separate texting platforms. So you have the integrated texting platform, and then you have the standalone texting platform. So the integrated platform is basically for people like us, like marketers, internet marketers who want to use the software directly from the system. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to log into my text prospector and do some marketing, I could just come in here and click right here where it says text phone broadcasting, and then come in here and then I could set up an outbound text message. But I haven't set this one up yet. But basically, if you do decide to set this one up, you can go directly through the source, and this is how you get your text messages for less than a penny per text, because you're going to be going directly to the source. Now, the source that I'm referring to is called Ytel. I'm familiar with Twilio. These other two services I have not used, so I can't speak to those particular services. But Ytel charges 0.0075 cents per text. So that means every 10 texts that you send is less than a dime. So you can literally send 100 texts a day for 75 cents. Okay, now those of you who are on a higher scale, you want to scale up. That means you can send 1,000 text messages a day for $7.50 a day. Okay, there's no other form of marketing where you're going to be able to reach that many people that inexpensively. So it's important that you guys understand the difference between the two, because this is the integrated system. This system here, you purchase the credits directly from my text prospector. So this is the system that your business folks are going to be using, your pizza shops, your realtors, or anybody who is probably not going to want to promote this as a business opportunity. So they would be logged into this platform here. Okay, now this platform here, it's a penny per text. Okay, and in certain instances it may be 2 pennies per text, because of some of the different phone carriers or whatever may have some type of stipulation fees or whatever. But I don't really know how that works. All I know is I was told by the creator of the platform that when you use this particular platform, there will be instances where you may be charged 2 cents per text. Okay, now in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to show you how to start creating SMS campaigns. So that means if you wanted to create a campaign for your business. For example, let's say you have a gym and you want to offer a 50% off discount to any new clientele that you might bring in. Then I'm going to say, let's just say for example that you wanted to create the uh, the SMS keyword 50 off. Okay, so 50 OFF. Tell somebody to text 50 OFF to your phone number, which would be assigned to you after you set up your account, and then they're going to receive an automated response. But not only are they going to receive an automated response, they're also going to be added to your database. So anytime that a person replies to your text keyword or to your mobile keyword, they're also being added to your mobile list. Okay. Now that's important because you can segment these lists. So if you have one business that you want to promote and then you have a totally different business that you want to promote, you promote them based off of the keyword that you give away. Okay, so you might have a weight loss business, and then you might also sell solar. So you can segment those two lists, and now you have contacts for both of those individual opportunities, but you're keeping them separate, so you're not getting any type of overlap when you're doing your marketing. That's important. So in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to set up a keyword campaign. But first, I wanted to be clear and let you guys know that, like the majority of you, those of you who are in home-based businesses and internet marketers and you're wanting to do bulk SMS and whatnot, you probably would be better off using the internal platform, because you can go directly to the source and you can set up an account with Ytel and get those messages for less than a penny. Those of you now, if by chance you want to use keyword marketing, then you might want to use this platform because it's just easier to set up. Because if you want to do the keywords and whatnot, you can do them in here, but it's a lot easier to set up here and it's easier to track over here in this platform. So hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying here. I didn't excuse me, I didn't want to create any kind of confusion for you that are watching this by sharing this with you, but basically just understand that if you want to send bulk SMS and you're trying to save money, you should do it from the internal platform. If you're wanting to build a contact list, an SMS database, you should do it from this platform because it's a lot easier to track and it has a lot more functionality in terms of what you can do and what you cannot do directly from the platform. Okay, not to mention you have voice broadcast. I know a lot of people don't use voice broadcasting anymore, but if you have a permission-based list, voice broadcasting is still very legal. You just have to have a person's permission to be able to send them a voice broadcast prior to doing so. Otherwise, you can get into some trouble. But as long as you're building a permission-based list, which is what this is all about, you can use any of these tools that you want to communicate with the contacts that you have. So I'm going to end this video here, but before I do, if you do not have Text Prospector, what I'm asking you to do now is go ahead and click on the link below this video in the description, and it'll take you over to the page. You can learn more about it, and then if it makes sense, go ahead and get started. And I'll be in touch. If you need leads, I'll help you out with some leads. If you're involved in real estate or something like that, then just let me know and we can do a live Zoom, and then I can give you some tips on how to find motivated sellers and build your buyers list and all those different things. So there's a lot you can do with this software. So just make sure you stick around, go through the playlist, and watch as I go through all of the different functionality throughout the system. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, please. And my contact information is in the description. The link to come and check out Text Prospector is also in the description. All right, so that's it for this video. I will see you on the next video as we go into how to create your own SMS keywords.